Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Kanu ka medical institution, kam tam Habawat ye ki bomdei ki medical institution ngi ong pek ki SOP ki protocols piapan follow strictly. Te menta ngam ngej hadu mentahi iklimat ngam ngej bapin ong ba ka nikrims kabala dei ka premier institution jong ke India berkawai bakin lek turmur hadu kata ban ong bakim IPPE kuma ong de chess ka thrai ka bom along pi teng teng long kumni kilong emotional yating naman ngalakan mau ba ka ka kes ka bajian nong hatu ka kharlai terik gitu ki benai mo ke bajia hadu ba ngila king bayong namar ba Maria ong bakito kiba lek apa Bethany Hospital register wood nyong call 108 khanang ba nakaliang jong ka health department ki yo ban take care ki garantin lani ban sim ya ka test kumta tete tenga ong pi ka case mdunai ka arspasan pau do lais pa teli tang hakatu kamit hadu men step ka khat sauterik ki register anda likely ba de ki ba syuya lang ba syuya i ka te hostel ki ong ngi ngelaya ngla ma langat pi ka bating yo de kum kita te ka bangating mga yo don kum kita ki judging sngew ki bepli la se ki ya tang na khmat jong ka to ka kamra ka isolated rooms la ne ka to ka designated rooms ka bi ka ong ban sumari ki corona patient. Let's say yo kadai takata pura you never know. Then ban ong hi khamtam ya ki bersumar directly yi bapang nga I don't believe ban ong bakin yo ya ka pipi ka bom la along but ki doctor kin we have to fix them responsibly. Whoever had ngani to be we have to fix them responsibly in case if they really fail to do that. The intervention ni nga ong pi 101% we are going to do that. Nagaling jo state government but the responsibility ni happen fixed. Lada jia si siapa don ke lapsis kum kata kawai ke problem ngopi ni hap nikit klik lang nak lang jela nak state government jungi namar kumno kala banlong ba pin commit ma pi ya ke lapsis pi de kinok sumar pi ke premier institution ngopi ka bahanga hingga sengau ka ba ba kat kata ke premier lada menta for example ka aims hantai ha aims kinong bom don ai ye gibreu ba pin ong pi hap le ai what does it mean? Dito ya katangin sa chimkia, in case lada don chisha kata collapses, action has to be taken as per the directive issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare.